Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize configuring VLAN trunking for VPS network topology detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have administrative access to your VPS environment and the necessary network configuration tools. Log into your VPS management interface. Navigate to the networking section of your VPS. Identify the current network interfaces and note their configurations. Check whether VLAN trunking is supported by your VPS provider. Access your VPS command line interface using SSH. List the existing network interfaces using the command IP link show. Choose the primary interface you will configure for VLAN trunking. Create a virtual network interface for each VLAN using the command IP link add link, interface, name, interface.VLAN_ID, type VLAN ID, VLAN_ID. Replace interface with your primary interface name and VLAN_ID with the respective VLAN numbers. Bring up each newly created VLAN interface using IP link set dev interface.VLAN_ID up. Assign an IP address to each VLAN interface using the command IP address add IP_address dev interface.VLAN_ID. Ensure the subnet mask aligns with your network policy. Configure your routing table to include the new VLAN interfaces. Edit the network configuration files if necessary to make these changes persistent after a reboot. Verify the VLAN trunk configuration by using the command ipd link show. Ensure that each VLAN interface is correctly showing with its assigned IP and status. Test connectivity across VLANs using the ping command to verify communication. Check any firewalls or security groups to make sure they allow traffic between the VLANs. Monitor the network performance to ensure everything is operating smoothly. Finally, document all configurations for future reference and troubleshooting. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized and configured VLAN trunking for your VPS network topology. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.